Hey guys, I'm Mateo with LoweXII, and I recently got this power steam cleaner by LoweXII. I like this steam cleaner because it comes with a lot of different attachments. I can change them depending on what I need to clean. It cleans and sanitizes so well. The steam pressure is strong and it helps remove any stains or dirt without much effort. And the best part of all is that it just uses water to clean, which I prefer instead of using products with harmful ingredients. It's great for cleaning any surface like windows, showers, stovetops, and even cloth materials like curtains and couches. It heats up very quickly, that way I can start cleaning just a few minutes after plugging it in. I like that even when the water inside is hot, there's no surface of the cleaner that is dangerous or too hot to touch. The power cord is pretty long, which is super helpful because I don't need an extension cord when I'm using the cleaner. I think this is such a versatile steam cleaner for anything around my house, and that is my point of view.